Civilizations do not collapse because they run out of resources. They collapse because they misallocate them. Earth does not suffer from scarcity. It suffers from direction. Every year, humanity extracts more energy, metal, labor, and intelligence than any civilization in history. Yet the planet destabilizes faster with every advance. That contradiction reveals the truth. The problem is not capacity. The problem is priority. Modern civilization still organizes itself around conflict. Competition for territory. Competition for dominance. Competition for short-term advantage. War is not an accident in our system. It is an output of how we allocate resources. Missiles require metals, so do power grids. Weapons require energy, so do climate systems. Armies require logistics, so does planetary restoration. The same industrial base that destabilizes Earth is fully capable of stabilizing it. Nothing new needs to be invented, only redirected. This is why restoration is not an environmental issue. It is a civilizational one. A civilization reveals its maturity not by what it can build, but by what it chooses not to build anymore. Earth restoration begins the moment humanity agrees that survival is a higher priority than dominance. That cooperation is more valuable than conquest. That long-term continuity outweighs short-term power. This is not idealism, it is systems logic. Every functioning system optimizes for persistence. Any system that optimizes for internal destruction eventually removes itself. Civilization is a resource allocation algorithm, and Earth is its first test. If we cannot coordinate our resources to preserve the only biosphere we know supports intelligent life, then expansion is meaningless. Restoration is not retreat, it is preparation. Before humanity can move outward, it must prove it can sustain inward. Earth is not asking for miracles, it is asking for coherence. And coherence begins when we stop treating survival as optional.